The way to do this is using the star and bar method that I went over last time. If anyone's paying attention, I had the cookies, right? And you have to divide them into different places. So you have to arrange the dividers, right? Well, I'll kind of explain it again because maybe some of you just forgot or just weren't paying attention. Okay, so you can first give each of the two people the one apple, right? So then it's equivalent to giving 21 apples, and they each have to have at least one apple, right? So then let's say you have 23 apples. Or to make it easier, you just start out with the case where they have 4 apples, right? So then basically the idea behind stars and bars is you have these dividers, right? You can put them in so that one of these regions is Alice's, one of these regions is Becky, and one of these areas is Chris, right? So you have 3 different dividers you can put them in. You have 3 different slots to put the dividers in, and once you put the dividers in, then that's how you divide between A, B, and C, right? So let's extend to the case where she has 21 apples. She's already given each of them 1 apple already, so now for 21 she just has to have each person get at least 1 apple. So then you have a grand total of 21, right? So then 21, how many different slots are there to put the dividers in? That would be 21 minus 1, right? So that's going to be 20. And then you have to choose the dividers, right? There's 3 people, so how many dividers do we need to break it up into 3 different regions for each of the 3 different people? That's going to be 2 dividers, right? Because you have the apples, and then you divide them up. This one is Alice's, this one is Becky's, and this one is Chris's. If you do 20, out of 20 you choose 2, right? So 20, the first one has 20 possibilities, the second one has 19 possibilities. Then you divide that by 2, right? You have to divide by 2 because the order you put the dividers in doesn't matter. They could be swapped and it will still be the same. That's just what 20 choose 2 is. So the solution is 20 out of 20 choose 2. So this is a really common notation that we use when counting things. We also went over it last time. So out of 20 possibilities, you choose out of 20 different things, you choose 2 of them. So the first one has 20 possibilities, the second one has the 19 that's left, and divide by 2 because the order doesn't make a difference. We count each of them twice. One has 2 of them just have swapped order, so you have to divide by 2. Once you do that, the answer is 190. So our answer is 190. So that's it, we're done. We've gone over all of the questions.